Mimi saw that.
Well, I didn't really want to.
Not me. You aren't taking a picture of me. Are you taking a
Make
picture
sure
of
the
me?
flush.
That's my video.
Stop that.
Make sure the toilet flush Grandma was having problems
There's
with
the
it.
two cuties.
Good check.
What you got, hon? You want Grandma to hold that, or are you just trying to keep it from Ellie?
Yeah, Ellie's got one. Here, Elle. Want your own cup? No.
You
I
be
think-
nice to her. He's usually
No, he
being
wanted
a
me
little
to hold
kid.
it. Yeah, that's right, because he's with that other little girl, isn't he?
Here. Oh, don't worry. Ellie can defend
You want to
herself.
play? They
Don't
can add you to
worry.
the week
Robert
game.
P. is Ellie.
You want to
He's
turn?
fine. He's fighting. Ridiculous. They started fighting over the puppy. Ellie fights for us. You tell you, fighting, pulling hair. She can be a little lady.
He's really fighting like it. He was just doing it to have fun. He does still do it to have fun, and he doesn't usually do that when he's mad. But he fights all the time.
Which one, hon?
You what?
Will Grandma take your picture?
No, that video.
Well, yeah, but it's still a picture.
No, I think he wants to take pictures of you.
Wait a minute.